Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I would start my speech with the Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace and blessings of Allah be upon all of you. My topic is 15 August, the Independence Day of India. Today we gather to celebrate a momentous occasion, India's 78th Independence Day. This day marks the anniversary of our nation's freedom from colonial rule, a freedom and through the sacrifices of countless brave souls who fought with unwavering courage and determination. Independence Day. This day marks the anniversary of our nation's freedom from colonial rule, a freedom and through the sacrifices of countless brave souls who fought with unwavering courage and determination. Independence Day is not just a reminder of our past struggles, but also a call to action for the future. As students, we are the torchbearers of tomorrow. We must strive to embody the values of unity, diversity and resilience that our freedom fighters stood for. Let us honor their legacy by working hard in our studies, being responsible citizens and contributing to the progress of our nation. Together we can continue to build a stronger, more prosperous India. At the end, I would like to wish everyone Happy Independence Day. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam.